It's not that bad. I told you it's not that bad. It gets better. And a net pay of 65,000 rand. Total earnings 188,000. Hey guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today we have a part 2 of accounting and finance salaries. But today we're going to focus on people who are at a senior level. We have an assistant financial manager, chief audit executive, finance managers, and an internal audit manager. Okay, get ready for chest pains. It's not that bad. I told you it's not that bad. It gets better. The higher the position, it gets better. Okay, so we're gonna start with this assistant financial manager. I must say I was impressed because I know this company. It's a black-owned company. Yeah, so I was surprised to see one of their staff members earning such a high salary. But let's just say the qualifications and the years of experience. They have an advanced diploma in financial accounting, 9 years of experience, including 3 years of articles. Basic salary 53,973. Pay as you earn 11,792. Total deductions 17,367, and a net pay of 36,600 rand. Again, I was surprised because I know this company. It's not a small company, it's a logistics company, but I know it's black owned, you know, so it's not like a big corporation. So for him to get a basic salary of 53,000, I was quite surprised. Okay, now let's move to the next one. This is a chief audit executive. Okay, he works for the local government with Bcom Accounting, few certificates such as GRAP training and MFMP certificates, which are industry specific certificates. He completed accounting articles for 4 years and 8 years experience in internal auditing. Okay, basic salary 48,030 rands, annual bonus 48,000, travel allowance 11,140, housing subsidy 1,000 rands, cell phone allowance 1.8, NPA allowance 12,000 rands. What is that? Hey, tax for this month was 19,270. Guys, don't ask me why they sent a pay slip with a bonus. Okay. We know the basic salary is 48,000 and other allowances. All right. Travel allowance for this month was 11,140. It means this person travels a lot. Total earnings 122,000. Deductions 29,690, and a net pay of 92,372. But remember, he had a bonus for this month. Okay, so this is not what he's getting every month, but I am not mad. I'm not mad. 8 years post articles, and articles were 4 years. So yeah, about 12 years of experience. Alrighty, now let's look at this finance manager. Guys, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, if you like this type of content, and also share this video with someone that might need it. Here is a finance manager with 10 years of experience, post articles, Bcom honors, CTA, passed ITC, failed APC 3 times, and then did articles at one of the big 4 firms. Basic salary 87,500, non-pensionable salary 20,679, and then there's other allowances like 1.2 and 900 rands. Yeah, basic salary 87,000 with 10 years experience. I remember this person was asking on TikTok if they are underpaid, and everyone said no, You are overpaid, actually. You are getting paid well. Tax paid 30,619. And then there's other contributions at 6.5. Another one is discovery is 7.9. My guy, why are you paying so much for medical aid? Total earnings 110. Deductions 45,265. And a net pay of 65,000 rand. This is good. This is good, guys. I had some people saying, Guti, the thing is with accounting, it's either you go big or you go home. There is no in between. I really think these salaries are good, guys. And this is why I separated the videos. I started with the one, it's going to be somewhere here if you want to see entry-level jobs. Okay. So here is a finance manager with a Bachelor of Accounting Sciences degree. Okay, it says here financial manager. So I don't know what's the difference between a finance manager and a financial manager. So here it says a financial manager. Total earnings 49,436. Pays you earn is 10,200. And then they're paying for other things. Total deductions 12,894. And in a pay of 36,541. But he sent us two pay slips. One of them has a annual bonus. Okay, so the one with the annual bonus, so he finished his undergrad in 2021 and was working for the company while he was studying. Upon graduation, I was promoted to financial manager. My annual bonus is approximately 2.5 my basic salary. Yo, this is nice. This is really nice. Basic salary 46,202. Annual bonus 141,861. Total earnings 188,000. Pays you earn 52,986. Ouch. Total deductions 55,479. A net pay of 132,588. Okay, so this person has been working for this company since 2021, but he says while studying, and then he was promoted to a manager. Okay, this is nice. We love it, guys. I don't know what you think about it, but it's nice. Oh, so the first pay slip with 49,000 basic, it was before increment. Okay, so now the other one is 46,000 because there is a bit of increment. Okay, so just in case you are getting confused now. Now, guys, let's look at this internal audit manager. Hi, Boni. Here is my pay slip. I just want to know how I compare to other people in similar qualification and experience. Okay, so guys, let's listen carefully and then you can let us know where he is. Okay, I'm an internal audit manager for a small to medium audit firm. I hold a Bcom Accounting Sciences with psycho articles with 7 years experience since graduation. No benefits, but they pay for fees to study further as a bursary and a decent bonus and death in check. Currently completing a postgrad in financial risk management and registered to write FRM certification exams, all paid for by the company. Basic salary 40,000 rands and a net pay of 31,983. He has no benefits as mentioned. 7 years of experience since graduating and psycho articles. Okay, guys, you know your industry. I don't know it. Please like and share the video if you found value, of course, and check out part 1 where we were talking about people who are in like more entry-level jobs And also I have a video on a CA, a chartered accountant salaries, so you can check those ones out as well. Otherwise guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.